Good evening. Resuming my interaction with you people, today I would like to share my views on three things. Number one is advertisement, number two is public relations, number three is quality. These are three important aspects of goods and services on this planet which we usually deal amidst this COVID-19 fight also. Almost all of us know that more than 200 countries are fighting against Corona or COVID-19. And now also amongst all the business people, maybe startup entrepreneurs or tycoons or leaders, some of them also doing their business. But exactly I would like to share my experience. I have seen we go for advertisements and it is also required. I am not in support of 100% advertisement. Still it is indispensable for today's business. No matter whether we are producing goods or we are rendering service for others. And at the same time public relations is also another important aspect, but is pragmatic for almost all the business people throughout the world, throughout the globe. And in my social responsibility interaction also, I had focused, and because we are amidst society and we have to deal our goods or we have to deal our services with the people at large, those who are there in the society. So naturally, to create demand or to create requirement amongst the people or our prospects, naturally we have to go for advertisements, and at the same time we have to go for public relations also. But today I would like to give focus on, no matter what, how effective our advertisement is and how effective our public relation is, but positively we have to focus on quality if we are to sustain in the business arena. We have to, in every aspect of human life, sometimes sixes and sevens would be there. It is inevitable. Since the evolution of human civilization, it has been observed that ups and downs would be there. Maybe for 1 month, maybe for 2 months or 3 months or whatever may be. It depends, it varies, but still we have to exist and the human civilization is to exist. And as because our goods and services are directly related to humanities, naturally we have to also sustain on this planet. Whatever may be our strategy for the existence of the business, for the growth of the business, starting from startup businessman to veteran business people, it has been observed that advertisement and public relation has no role at all if we do not the requisite focus on quality. It may be service, it may be goods, but quality should be given top priority. Sometimes days were there, economy also today matters. So cost effectivity is also another aspect. But definitely we have to get an inference, quality has no substitution. Almost more than 50% people are focused on quality. We have already seen in the market only 2%, 3% people on this planet are using that particular product. Still, that particular product is a brand and that particular product has established in such a manner, they are earning a lot, they are gaining a lot, and at the same time they are doing a noble job for the society at large, for the people at large. Whatever may be our condition, whatever may be our situation, whatever may be the effectivity of our human resources, but when we are mobilizing our resources towards manufacturing goods or rendering service for the people at large, our top priority should be given to the quality what we do or what we are giving for the people at large. Because our advertisement and public relations may act substantially, but quality, one satisfied potential customer may create lakhs of billions of prospective customers. Maybe we do not know, so many companies are there on this planet, those who have diversified their business from A to Z even, and they have expanded their business from a small place to the entire globe. And it has also been tested and it has also been reviewed, observed time and again. Only the quality of service or only the quality of goods which helped immensely to the entrepreneur or to the owner or to the people, those who concerned. That is quality. And to maintain the quality, so many things are there. Number one is ethics. Ethics of the management matters most. If the ethics is not being maintained by the people, those who are taking the decisions, various pragmatic decisions for the organization, if they are not ethical, quality cannot be maintained. Yes, another thing sometimes we may think of, that is quantity, but before that, a customer, irrespective of his address or irrespective of her standards, irrespective of his so many classifications are there, irrespective of all the things, all the parameters or yardstick, quality matters most. And a customer who is having one particular product and he is satisfied with the quality, automatically he can create lakhs. But to speak of lakhs, it is a minuscule on this planet, because we know that population on this planet is growing very fast. No matter whether what are the adversities of life are there, still the number of people, the population of this creation is enlarging very fast, and we are also feeling sometimes we are overcrowded. So, and because we are overcrowded, automatically our competitors would also be a lot. So to defy competition, to defy every challenges of business life or our general life even, no matter whether we are helping the students to learn, or we are directly working for the institutions, or we are producing goods for the people, or we are transporting the people, whatever our activities are, definitely we are to give top priority on quality. If we are satisfied with our quality, then automatically our possible customers, our prospects will be satisfied, and our organization, our entrepreneurship will exist forever, for indefinite period, as the original objective of all the entities on this earth is concerned. Thank you.